another beautiful day.
Alright, well, today we're going to talk about citrus. Look at these little baby lemons coming in. Things beautiful. But we're going to talk about, this is a Meyer lemon. We're going to talk about what's wrong with this focus? Alright, we're going to talk about some issues you can have with lemon. The citrus are really easy, but you can have this issue with the yellowing on here. This is generally a deficiency. You got blooms coming in. In reality, I should probably take these off. If this was a younger tree, this is about a 3-4 year old tree. I should probably, if it was younger, I would be taking off all of these babies, all of these blooms, and just focusing on getting it back together. Focusing on the health. Yeah, just look, you can just tell. So the thing is, sure, this is a deficiency, but it's going to recover because what happens is it drops the leaves. I mean, if the roots are good, roots are always the more important. And you can take a look at this navel orange tree, looking a little bit yellow on here as well. And the thing is, I did something different this year. This one, actually, I've never had fruit on it, so it did bloom. So I need to get this taken care of. And this is one of my quats, looking great. It's not branching out as much as I want, so I think when it gets cold, I'm gonna have to change up some pruning. But back to the task at hand. So yeah, we're looking a little bit worse for wear here. Yellowing has increased. What I decided to do was just to keep a lookout at things, monitor it, see if things got worse, and it did. This happens with citrus. What I tried to do this time is I didn't buy any mulch this year, and this is kind of a known thing with citrus. It's a deficiency of iron, generally. So I'm gonna have to prove that that's the case. I've read about that and I've watched videos on it, but I've never had it happen. I change my regimen of how I feed everything every year. Generally, January, I go to like my local Lowe's or hardware store and I get a specific type of mulch in a yellow bag. And then I'll generally start waking things up with that. I'm trying to get around to not buying anything and just using what I have, which I can still do, but I'm going to show you how we're going to take care of this. And this is what we're going to hit it with. It's a B1. I got this from my local nursery, and we got some chelated iron. Here's all the details. I'm going to apply this directly to the roots as well as a foliar feed. Let's get it. Pretty much just follow the directions on the side. It's not complicated. It's like I put like a dollop per gallon of water. And what I'm also doing in this case, I'm going to add some fish fertilizer for the feeding. And this is just how I'm going to be watering. I'm going to be overriding the watering. In fact, well, with it being summer, what I'm probably going to do is feed this before watering. I can't overwater with the way I have everything set up. If you've looked at my other videos, the cactus type mix I use for everything, it's impossible to overwater my plants. So, but at the same time, I'm not wanting these nutrients to run out of the pot or anything. So, to your own. I'm just trying to give you the idea of what to do. Now, when I apply this as a foliar feed, I mean, realistically, it doesn't matter if you get any of this on your plants or in the roots. The foliar feed, though, will allow it to take in nutrients directly. And what I'm assuming is going to happen is that all these old leaves are going to drop. Plants do a shedding. New leaves come in. These bigger leaves are good in the winter when it's trying to get more sun in, and they'll get smaller leaves for the summer. So if your citrus has yellowing leaves, I can almost guarantee that this is what it is. I'll post updates. Let's grow.